Welcome to our channel. If you want to activate PayPal on your phone for convenient contactless payments, follow these step-by-step instructions to get started quickly. Step 1. Download the PayPal app from the App Store for iPhone or Google Play Store for Android devices. Step 2. Open the PayPal app and log in with your existing PayPal account credentials. If you don't have an account, create one by providing your email and personal information. Step 3. Navigate to the wallet section within the app to manage your payment methods and settings. Step 4. Add a credit or debit card to your PayPal account by entering the card number, expiration date, and security code. Step 5. Verify your card by following the prompts, which may include confirming small test charges or entering a verification code sent to you. Step 6. Enable contactless payment features by accessing the settings menu and turning on the mobile payment option. Step 7. Look for the PayPal QR code or NFC payment option in stores that accept PayPal for contactless transactions. Step 8. To make a payment, simply open your PayPal app and hold your phone near the payment terminal or scan the merchant's QR code to complete the transaction securely. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.